How to fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth grayed out on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve unresponsive Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggles on your Android device. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Swipe down again to expand the Quick Settings menu. Next, try tapping on the grayed out Wi-Fi or Bluetooth toggle. If nothing happens, proceed to the next steps. Following that, press and hold the power button on the side of your device. Tap on Restart from the menu. Now, wait for your phone to reboot completely. After your phone restarts, check if Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggles are now active. If they're still grayed out, open the Settings application on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Afterwards, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Select Show System Apps from the menu. System apps will now be visible in your app list. Scroll down and find Bluetooth or Wi-Fi in the list. Tap on Bluetooth, then tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Go back and repeat the same process for Wi-Fi. Find Wi-Fi in the System Apps list, tap on it, then Storage, then Clear Cache. Alternatively, if the issue persists, reset your network settings. Go back to Settings and tap on General Management or System. Tap on Reset or Reset Options. Look for Reset Network Settings and tap on it. A warning will appear that this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. Tap on Reset Settings to confirm. Your device will reset all network configurations. After the reset completes, check if Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are now working. You'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks and pair Bluetooth devices again. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth grayed out on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.